Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So my brother came in for the weekend to sight in his deer rifles, getting ready for deer season. And so you saw that video we made about it. And we decided to go out hog hunting that night. And we got into the property a little bit. And this hog, we spooked him. He got up, ran across the path that we were driving over into these sparsely scattered out trees. And I'd start telling my brother, hey man, if you want to shoot, go on ahead and take them. And he shot and he missed, and so then I throw some shots out there at him, and so we ended up not finding any blood on him. I don't know if that one actually counts as a kill or not, so we're just gonna let that one fly. And as we go over to my brother's footage, this is him looking through his Trail XP50, and he's gonna miss just left right there. He was barely off of it. I wouldn't be surprised if that hog got skinned. But I tell you what really happened on that one is I rushed him. I was like, hey, if this thing's going to be moving away, you want to take him, you need to go ahead and get him. And so I guarantee you that what happened was that I rushed him. And so he felt like he had to make it happen. And you just put that pressure on. And that's why we ended up not getting that one down right there, because we didn't make a good, clean shot. So then later in the night, we come up on this hog, and we think that he actually misses this one, but as we replay the footage again and again, you can see a splatter come off of him. So we think that he misses, but actually he gets it. And, the whole point of us being out here doing this for, building up to deer season is because he doesn't get to go hunting nearly as much as I do. And y'all know what it's like that, you don't get to hunt all year, and then all of a sudden deer season pops up and you get, just the shakes, and you get buck fever, and you get worried and excited really easily. And so this whole weekend was basically just to, go out as a family, but also to get this out of our system a little bit right as we go into deer season. And mind you, he does get to hunt more than that, but y'all all understand what that's like. And so same thing's happening here. I tell him, I was like, hey, look, this thing is going to start getting spooked here in a second. I'm going to tell him, look, if you want to take it now. And I rush him, but you know what? He already got that bad shot out of his system, and he actually does get a good hit on it. So I'm going to let this play here in a second.
Wait.
And then he goes off into this tall grass. Now, it looked like he didn't get hit, but again, we did, go back and watch the footage again and again, and you can see a splatter come right off of his body. He thinks he may have hit a little bit far back, and in this moment, we don't think that he hit at all. I asked him, hey, what happened? He's like, I don't know, but, later reviewing the footage, we saw he did get a good hit on it. Well, I know where all this land opens up at, so I just go ahead and walk forward, and I spot that hog out there going by that clump of trees.
There he is.
And I'm going to go ahead and engage him, and this is going to be at about 250 yards away. The first shot is going to be a hit, but then after that, I think I should have held just, a little bit higher. I don't think any of these other ones hit him, and you're going to see that he's going to spin around, and he's going to disappear in those trees. We go looking for him, and being that we got all that thick yaupon down in there, we don't actually recover him, but there was blood going into those trees. So I'm going to be quiet and let this play out here again also.
You see him? I hit him.
And so basically that's it for this one. And so then we're going to go into another field over here where we hit the call doing some Glenn Guest boar call sounds. We hit Sal Hysteria. This is the ground. And look up 20 yards away, there was a
Kevin,
pig right there.
Kevin,
You know,
right
and he
behind
must
me.
have just been right there, because this was as soon as we hit the call, we heard him grunting and snorting and making all kinds of sounds back at us. Being that we knew Kevin missed the
Kevin,
first
I'm
one,
gonna
we
keep
thought he
this,
missed the
okay?
second one. I decided I'm going to go on ahead and take this one. So I'm going to put a shot on it, but boy, Kevin gets his fury put out on this one. He's going to put a few more shots into it than I did. And so he's down right there, and let's go on ahead and look at that through Kevin's scope.
Take it.
He's got it focused to quite a bit further out rather than having it focused in at 20 yards right here.
Me.
So guys, that was our hunt for the night. Had a really good hunt. We at least recovered one. We at least killed two. And we had a good night. And really, if any takeaway from this hunt for me would be that I shouldn't have, pressured him. Go ahead and shoot. I shouldn't have done that. If I wouldn't have, we easily could have recovered all three. So that's gonna be something I'm gonna have to keep in mind for the next time we do this. Again, always trying to learn, look better. That guy looks like he pooped himself. That hot spot right there in the middle. This is us going to recover that pig that was in that tree. Sorry, in those trees. So, but guys, hopefully this helps y'all. This guy looks like he's got his pants almost all the way down, halfway past his butt. Looks like he's got a Joe Plumber crack going on right there. Well, guys, I hope this was helpful for y'all. Again, reviewing all this stuff, it feels like it's making me get better every single time. So, whatever it is that y'all do, just be awesome at it. Bye.